These videos were created using Canva and Grok. Cartoon videos are one of the best ways to go viral on YouTube. So today, I'm going to show you how to make this kind of cartoon video using Grok and Canva, completely free. First, search for Grok Imagine on Google and go to the website. In my previous video, I already explained what Imagine is and how to use it. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to create a simple 1-minute cartoon landscape animation. I'm keeping it short because I just want to show you the process. But of course, you can make much longer cartoon videos if you want. So let's begin. First, I'm going to generate the background for our scene. Just type your prompt in simple English. For example, cartoon background of a park with 3 benches. The benches should face the camera. Include a lake, trees, and a few people. Once the prompt is ready, choose whether you want to generate an image or a video, and select the aspect ratio. I'm choosing an image with a landscape ratio. Then simply click this arrow and let it create the background. Once it finishes processing, it'll generate several images for you. Take a moment to look through them. Some might look great, while others may not match your idea perfectly. I'm going to pick this one because it follows the prompt exactly. To download it, just click the download arrow. Then right-click and save it as an image. Now, using the same method, I'm going to create 2 characters for my cartoon, a boy and a girl, like this. Basically, a couple for our scene. Once that's done, I'll move over to Canva. I've already uploaded the background and both character images. So now, let's build the scene. First, add the park background to the canvas. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Next, drag and drop both characters into the scene. Now select the girl character and use background remover to clean the image. Then do the same with the boy. Crop the image so only the main figure is visible and remove the background. Once both characters are cleaned up, position them inside the park like this. Perfect. Now go to Share, Download, and download it as a PNG. Now go back to Imagine and click the attachment icon. Upload the image we just downloaded, just like this. Once it's uploaded, Imagine will automatically turn it into a video. And here's the automatic result I got. The characters walk into the scene and the girl sits on the boy's lap. Not bad, right? But I'm going to customize it with a prompt. Remember, Imagine can only generate 6-second clips. So to build a longer video, you need to create multiple scenes and then combine them together. So I'll type, girl and boy walk into the park and sit on the middle bench. Then the boy says, today is a beautiful day. Let's see what happens.
Today is a beautiful day.
Okay, both characters walk in and sit down, but now the girl sits on the table, which looks a little funny.
Today is a beautiful day.
So I'll edit the prompt as, both sit on the bench. Leave the table as it is. Now let's try again.
Today is a beautiful day.
Perfect. This time they sit correctly, and the boy says the dialogue.
Today is a beautiful day.
So with just a simple prompt, Imagine animates everything nicely. This is an SD quality, so let's make it HD. Just click this 3 dots, then select Upscale Video like this. As you can see, the preview is muted. That's why you don't hear anything. Once it's processed, click the download arrow to save the video. See, it's in HD. Now, how do we create the next scene? Simple, no rocket science. Just play the video you downloaded, maximize it, and take a screenshot right at the end. Like this. Next, go back to the Imagine homepage and upload that screenshot. From now, the process is the same as before. Imagine will automatically turn it into a video. Here's the result. The audio is muted by default, so I'll unmute it. Looks good, right? But I want to customize it again. So I'll give a prompt. Something like, the boy and girl cuddle on the bench. A soft wind blows, and the sky becomes darker. And let's see what we get. Perfect. The animation reflects exactly what I described. Cuddling, wind, and a darker sky. Now I'll upscale it, then download the HD version, just like before. Now to create the next scene, we repeat the same steps. Play the new video, take a screenshot at the end, upload it to Imagine, then animate it again. This is the clip that Imagine generated automatically, but it's not exactly what I wanted. This is the image I uploaded, and as you can see, the girl is hugging the boy with her eyes closed. So, let's customize it. I typed, the girl opens her eyes and says, looks like it's going to rain. After that, the boy says, then let's go.
Looks like it is going to rain.
Let's go then.
And the result is pretty awesome. Both
Looks
characters
like
speak the
it
dialogue,
is going to
and even
rain.
though I didn't
Let's
tell
go
them to
then.
leave the park yet, the animation made them walk away on its own. But that's fine. It still works for the story. So I'll upscale it and download the HD version. Now, since they're leaving the park, the next scene needs a new location, somewhere with shelter, maybe a cozy spot like a coffee shop. So I'm going to generate a new background. Here's the prompt. Modern park, outdoor coffee shop with a big summer hut. Sky slightly dark. Then I select the aspect ratio, choose image, and generate. Imagine gives multiple cartoon backgrounds. Some match the description perfectly and some don't. So I'm going to pick this one. It has a nice outdoor coffee shop and a large shelter, which is perfect for our next scene. Now I'll download it. Now go back to Canva and place the boy and girl characters into this new background, just like before. Then position them correctly. Once done, go to Share and download the image as a PNG. Next, I'll upload that image back into Imagine to animate it. Here's the automatic result. But I want it to match the story better, so I'll enter a prompt. The girl and boy walk to the coffee shop. The boy says, let's grab some coffee.
Let's grab some coffee.
And this version looks pretty good. There are a few small glitches, like
Let's grab some
objects
coffee.
appearing in the middle of the clip. But overall, it still works. So I'll upscale it and download the HD version. Using the same method, I created a few more scenes, like the couple drinking coffee. Then rain started.
This is a beautiful moment.
Then still raining and the couple happily enjoys the moment together. Finally, the rain is stopped and couple leave the coffee shop in the park. This is the final video.
Today is a beautiful day.
You can also add narration using tools like ElevenLabs. It will help to tell the story and keeps viewers engaged.
Looks like it is going to rain.
Let's go then. Let's grab some coffee. This is a beautiful moment.
And that's all for today. Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.